$3,700 today, all trading gold futures. $2,000 yesterday, $3,700 here today, utilizing copy trading and funded accounts. $5,700 in the first 2 trading days of this week is absolutely amazing, with a few payouts on the way. And as you guys can see here in the screenshots, the guys inside the community are absolutely crushing the markets and crushing gold, peaking new all-time highs, what feels like every single day. So in today's video, I'm going to break down the positions I have taken on gold today alone. 2 amazing positions, which we also spoke about live on the London Open stream here today. If any of you guys are new here, most of the people who watch my videos aren't actually subscribed to the channel. So if you do get value from today's video, all I ask from you guys is if you drop a like, drop a subscribe, and even leave a comment if you want to as well. I appreciate it. It gets these videos out on the algorithm. Hopefully more people can come and join this amazing free community. So let's jump onto the charts and I'll show you guys how to bank $5,700 in literally 2 trading days. Let's go. So here we are looking at the charts today, guys. Now, gold actually has had some amazing volume today. Gold down 360 ticks in the London session, and then right back up another 500 plus ticks. Like, so much volume in the markets. Now, what's interesting here, what happened on our live stream this morning, is gold actually had a huge sell-off, and 300 tick sell-off, and a lot of people were saying like what's going on? Is this the top of the markets? Is gold all of a sudden going to crash from here? And this is where I said to you guys, zoom out. Every single time for literally the whole entire year that gold has had a pullback, we've got bought right back up. You pull back, you get bought right back up. We took amazing buys here, we took amazing buys here, we took amazing buys here. You pull back, rip up. Pull back, more longs here. And for me, there's no reason to think otherwise. And that's what I was saying to the guys on stream, it's not my job to try and short all-time highs. However, once we hold some support, have some sort of liquidity grab, and get that higher time frame closure back above, that's then where I'm going to trigger these longs. So I didn't get any of this push down here. Nothing at all. 300 tick push down. I got nothing of it. Do I feel FOMO? Of course. Of course I do. A lot of you guys say, like, do you, feel trading emotions? Absolutely. I just react to them very differently. And I keep in the back of my mind that my higher time frame bias is still very bullish on gold. Therefore, I want to look to continue buying. So what I was basically saying to the guys is, if you have these hourly bearish closures, all you're really looking to do is look for an hourly bullish closure. So you can also save yourself a lot of unnecessary chart time by, if you see this candle close bearish, okay, cool, you're looking for longs as well, you need to wait for this 8 AM candle to close. So you walk away, you come back, okay, cool, 8 AM candle close bearish. Well, I'm looking for longs, so what do? I walk away. Oh, cool, 9 AM, you've tagged loads, you close bullish, amazing. Now I'm going to drop down to lower time frame and I'm going to look for my trade. And this is where I took my first long position here on gold. So first long here on the day on gold was this liquidity level, which I was imagining, a lot of people who are maybe FOMOing into these shorts, a lot of people try and short here, set the stops just above this high, and I was looking for longs up into that level. So reasons for this trade is you came down, you had this beautiful liquidity grab here, had this amazing breakout, so the markets showed me, cool, support is being formed here, support's being formed. We've also grabbed liquidity, and we've had a bullish breakout, amazing. Most people see this and go, damn, I missed the move. I knew we were going to reverse from there. I should have been in long from here. But to me, this is the markets confirming what I want to see, as opposed to trying to just fight this huge push down. So I don't want to fight this huge push down, but once we find some support and break out, amazing. Now it's time for me to take my longs. So I got long here on gold towards the middle of the London session, around 10 AM, buying up into these highs here for a very nice scalp of around 40-ish ticks, so about up to here. Very nice trade. Now, gold then ended up having an absolutely phenomenal move. We also shared this double top live on our London stream from here. Very nice double top. Now, what happens with these double tops? To me, these are great buying opportunity into where most people are trying to sell. If you see a perfect double top on gold, there's usually a high chance that if gold's going to have another leg lower, you're going to come up and tag the highs before doing that. And if you haven't tagged the highs, then amazing. That's your opportunity to buy up into where most people are trying to sell. And I was actually live on Fast Markets today on 7th of October, where I took more longs here on gold. And now this trade was even nicer because I spoke about everything I was waiting for it to happen. It then happened. I took my trade and I played it absolutely perfectly. So what I was waiting for here on gold in Fast Markets today is this 30-minute here closed bearish, and these 2 candles here within the same hourly. So I looked at my hourly chart. You guys can go back and watch it on Fast Markets. And I said, okay, cool. This hourly closing doji. And Andre was asking me, what are you waiting for to go long? And what I was waiting for, if this hourly closes doji, then there's a high chance this hourly is going to come down. So we came down, we tagged previous hourly lows. This candle here wicked all the way back above. And as soon as I saw this at 3 o'clock London time, wick all the way back above after tagging hourly lows, there's my liquidity gap, there's my break back above, closure back above 4,000. Now it's time for me to take my second trade. And I got long here on the break back above 4,000 here in the 5 minute and took the longs from here to here up into these all-time highs, which again, this trade here was another 65 ticks. So 40 down here, 65 here, about 105 ticks on the day, all about understanding your higher time frame candle closures. Remember guys, the markets don't move as fast as you may think. It's not your job to fight the markets. It's your job to let the markets confirm what you're thinking is correct in the form of a higher time frame candle closure, and then you can execute and you can take the trade and you can start taking actual good, profitable, and more importantly, consistent trades just like this. So 2 absolutely amazing trades here today. Also, very, very simple. Understanding your higher time frame bias, waiting for candle closures, and then executing only once the market show you that what you're thinking could be correct. It's time to take that risk. Amazing trades here. You guys can see I got 746 here on this top step account. I got another 417 because I was copying the 2 London trades, but I did quit coming into fast markets. And then this other trade was actually on a combine, another 400 here. And as you guys can see in the screenshots here, I got this across 6 Apex accounts as well. So $3,716 here on the day, absolutely crushing these markets and crushing gold. And the trades from yesterday with these longs here, took these longs up here, copying another 3 accounts as well as the Apex accounts, which you guys can see in the screenshots as well. So over 5,000 US dollars in literally the last 2 trading days, trading very simple concepts on gold. Remember, I said this on fast markets today, is very key. Quality over quantity. You guys get consistent, you start copying accounts, you start maxing out top step, you start to realize you don't need to try and full margin that one account. You need consistency, and then you need scalability. If you guys want to check out the one-to-one mentorship that I have also just launched, there is a link below. I believe there's 1 or 2 spots, and that's not a scarcity tactic. There actually is 1 or 2 spots. So I hope to see you guys in there. If not, if you guys do want to join the free live streams, I go live here on the Top Step YouTube channel every single day, 7:30 till 9 a.m. London time. I'll see you guys there. Trade safe. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and I'll absolutely see you guys next one. Trade safe. I'll talk to you guys soon. Peace.